Alright, this is W6CSA video of the Great Ice Storm of 2014 in Biloxi. I had to turn down my 2 meter. A couple people talking on there. Pardon my mess. I'm tearing my shack apart while I'm moving the repeater from where it used to sit right there. There's the repeater. Give you a quick shot of it when I'm done here. Seemed to will be a 900 megahertz repeater. Can't wait. And now we're going out the back door. Whoa, already starting to slide. Looks like Winter Wonderland out here. Couple tower sections I got on the ground. Let's see if I don't slip and fall here. Some icicles. I don't know how well I'll be able to get that. Never had icicles hang off my back porch. Hole for the new tower. It's cold out here. My neighbor's yard. See no ice hanging off the antenna, the tower. Hey Kenneth, smile, you're on video. Making a video to put on my YouTube for the, you gonna fall, son? Whew, for the Great Ice Storm of Biloxi in 2014.
My car looks bad.
Wow, dude, really? I can't believe you actually... Yeah. Dude, look at you. Wow, man. You got ice hanging off the bottom of your car?
Dude, I had ice hanging off the tire.
Woo!
Yeah.
I just about went gone.
Dude, check this, the clearance out. That wheel had hardly any room to move in there.
Hang on, let's see. Here's my Crown Vic. Boy, it is white. Glad we moved it off the street last night.
Dude, that's solid.
I know it's solid.
Dude, my whole front bumper's that way.
I figured it'd be a little warmer being we moved it under here last night, which was interesting how we had to move it. I think the Cadillac's the only thing that's not iced over. Well, maybe the front. Let's.
The front was iced over, yeah.
Yeah, let me look at the front of my Eldorado here. I'm going to slip and fall, and this is not going to be cool. Alright, there's my 89 Eldorado. Whew. Dude, you're not even cracking it, man. You're going to just slip and fall.
Dude, look how slick this is.
Yeah, I know. We don't get stuff like this down here. You gonna moonwalk? You gonna moonwalk backwards? Yeah.
Apparently the alternator's on this side. Follow the grease.
Yes, the alternator's on that side.
Follow the grease. Dude, look how thick.
Yeah. Wow, dude.
Dude, that windshield ain't.
No.
Wipers ain't gonna take that off.
Nope.
Dude, come check out this wheel well over here.
Yeah, let me get that. Let me get a shot of it. Dude, you ain't got no clearance here either, hardly.
This side's worse though. I mean, you got the whole
Whew,
wheel.
it's cold.
The whole wheel well's just about encased in ice.
Hey, you got your phone on you?
No, it's in there charging.
All right, what's the temperature right now, you think?
Cold as.
I don't know, what do you think it is? About what? 15? No, not 15. About what? 25 maybe?
23.
23?
So it's probably like 25 now.
Yeah, dude, this is... Get a shot of my neighbor's roof over there. It's white. You gonna do that, you gonna pull half the door panels out, the quarter panel out, man.
Probably. Everything on that poor car is frozen.
All three of them. I can't believe my poor Crown Vic's like that, man.
That's what I should have taken last night. That thing was heavy enough to hold the road.
What, Crown Vic?
Yeah. This whole thing don't weigh 2,000 pounds. But it held the weight of the road, surprisingly.
Dude, why do you think I drive big vehicles?
Well, I normally do.
That's why I don't drive anything foreign or small.
So normally I drive nothing but big buddy.
Woo! Look at that. I don't even know if that's all ice. That's got to be some snow mixed in with that.
A little bit.
Wow. Yeah, it is. It is cold. Just a little bit. Hey, I'm going to walk down to the beach. You want to walk down? Get a shot. I know I'm crazy, but I'm still going to walk down to the beach. Look at my neighbor's driveway, man. I ain't going on the beach. I'm just going down to 90. I'm not crossing 90. I may not be crossing anything.
You might want to put your phone in your pocket before you do
I'm recording, dude.
You're recording your fall.
I'm going to record me falling.
Dude, that's the stuff we was hitting last night, though. Like, you go to turn, and you have the wheel turned all the way to the right, and the car goes straight. All of a sudden, you can't jerk over.
Yeah, I know. Okay, hang on. More ice here. Got to watch where I'm going here. This is usually a 2-minute walk to the beach. It's going to take us 10 to get down there.
It's supposed to be back in the 60s tomorrow.
Oh, this will be gone tomorrow then if it's going to be back up in the 60s.
It's just crazy how quick it comes, how quick the temperature changes.
Oh, yeah. Well, dude, this is South Mississippi. If you don't like the weather, wait 5 minutes. It will change. And that's a guaranteed fact, buddy. Whoop, almost slipped again.
Dude, that is thick ice there. I mean, that ain't going nowhere.
Nah. Oh. I was laughing at you for trying to moonwalk. I'm about to moonwalk.
We're so going to bust our ass.
Hell yeah, we are. Ooh, look at that, dude. Man, that is... The last time I saw it this white down here was in 93.
Yeah.
So we're talking, what, 21 years ago?
No.
Yeah, that was snow. This is just ice. I mean, I'm sure there's some mixed into it, but wow.
This reminds me of those ice storms up there in Cleveland and all that.
Yeah. I don't know, it's pretty bad up in Tennessee, too. But I didn't want to come home and see it. Okay, I'm going to try to walk over there and where it's...
I'm trying to figure out why you brought this crap with you.
I didn't bring it with me. It followed me.
Loaded that crap up in your car and brought it down.
Yeah. No. Oh. Bad thing is, a friend of mine up in Tennessee went to the Bahamas. I told her to bring back warm weather. Looks like she didn't.
Usually the cold don't bother me, but this is crazy.
It's,
I mean, they talk about it feels like 6 degrees last night. And they ain't lying, it felt like 6 degrees.
I believe it. Okay, that is the beach.
Dude, there were parts of the bay that had the water that just froze.
I believe it.
Like around the islands and all.
I hope I don't... you know what? I'm going to walk in the grass. That might be a little safer. Yeah, but the grass has got some grit to it, at least. Alright, this is Biloxi Beach that we're across 90 from.
Oh, dude, that ain't no slip. We'd have busted our butt.
Yeah, we would have slid.
Into traffic.
Yeah, right?
Well, bust your butt, slide it back off.
Yeah, that would not have been cool, man.
This is where I drifted last night. I gave that e-brake.
Dude, you're an idiot, man.
Yeah, 'cause that white car got right there. And I cut around and goosed it, hit the throttle on the e-brake and slid it up in there. And then thought once I got straightened out I could stop.
No.
So we had it back down to 15 when we hit the curve.
Yeah, thank God, because I yell at people for going too fast on my street. Woo!
That wind just got no long.
Yeah, it did. Let's get back to the house. I ain't going any further. Let's go. Let's go.
Oh, yeah, now they're walking.
Oh, man. Ah. Me and my bright ideas, right? Let's go to the beach. Woo. Woo! My pants are falling down too, so my butt's getting cold. I didn't grab one. Woo, this is slick here. Woo! And that wind is just cutting through you. Right? That's what it felt like in Tennessee, man. Oh, oh, oh. Come on, Boots, get traction. Yeah. Whew. Alright, we'll quit blowing. That was cold. You got coffee made, right?
Yeah.
Good, I'm gonna need some.
That's the way to put my home behind the oven.
Right? Whew. Yeah. Alright. Go home, Arctic. You're drunk. This is supposed to be the South. Woo! Let me get over here.
I was hoping that back lot would have stayed iced over. I was going to go out there and do more donuts, but it's frozen.
Hey, Randy. What you think about all this? Hang on, I can't hear you. I'm walking up there. Oh, let me get over here. Woo! I swear I didn't bring it back with me. I swear I didn't bring it back with me.
Last time I did this, 20 years ago.
Yeah, I know. That's what I was just saying. Last time I saw this neighborhood this white
93.
was 21 years ago in 93. Whew. Making a video here, so.
It's supposed to,
Ooh, my fingers are froze.
in the night again.
Yeah. All right, man. I'm gonna get some coffee.
There's lots of it.
Yeah. Woo.
Man, we'll be breakdancing trying to get it step.
Oh, we probably will be breakdancing.
Oh boy, I don't break it.
I don't know. We might be today.
I know them steps that got me in my rear. The wooden ones got me the first time.
Ooh, whoa. All right.
Yeah, I went to get my jacket on your mom's like, please tell me you're all not driving. I'm like, no, come here, do that.
Right? All right, we are back inside. 73 from W6CSA and KF5NJO.
It's cold. Get in the house.
I am getting in the house.